Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send messages to yourself in WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is first of all access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Right over here, all you have to do is first of all simply select a user, and then let's say this is the chat you would like to forward. Tap on forward, and now you can simply tap on the share icon. Now go ahead, you can search your name, how you have saved your, or you can simply add in the number of yours as well. Once you have gotten, you're gonna simply tap on your icon and tap on this forward option. Now you have sent message to yourself. Other way is simply going back, and here in the chat section you will originally be, right? Go on top, and now simply search up your username, how you have saved your contact details on your mobile phone, that matters. And now go ahead, tap and write anything. You can send any message to yourself just like that. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.